Hello friends, this is the surface planer and it is hydraulic control unit for PPR welding basic frame, which is used to align the pipes, and it contains two hydraulic pistons which will deliver pressure against each other. After aligning the two pipes, we will tighten the bolts and check for clearance between the two pipes by hydraulic levers. Now we will introduce the planer in between the two pipes, which will remove the excess material from the surfaces of the pipes to make the surfaces even.
High density polyethylene or high density polypropylene pipes are used for these purposes. Cutting ends because we got a complete circular ring from two parts, so it is even in shape. After that, we will introduce the heating plate, which will heat the two ends of the pipes, which have to be butt jointed. There are four times should be taken into consideration, which is heating or warming up time, then adoption time, joining time, and holding time.
Now the warm-up plate is removed and we align both pipe pieces. Then we apply welding pressure between them. Then it is held for some times. It depends upon the size.